Imagine this. You're alone at home, you close your laptop, but is your camera really off? Today, we're diving into something dark, exciting, and a little terrifying. We're hacking phone and PC cameras live using real tools hackers use every day. But stop. This isn't a video for stalkers or creeps. This is for learners and future cyber warriors. And if you think this video is going to be boring, that's cute. Stick around because what you'll see at the end might just save your own digital life. Disclaimer: this video is strictly for educational purposes only. If you're here to hack someone, leave. Right now, we don't support illegal activity. Period. Okay, ready? Take a deep breath, open your Linux system. Not sure how to set up your hacker lab? Check out my full tutorial on that. It's already live on this channel. Let's go step by step now. 1. Open Firefox. 2. Search for CamPhish GitHub. That name alone sounds sketchy, doesn't it? 3. Copy the GitHub URL. 4. Open your Linux terminal and type git clone, paste that URL, cd CamPhish, sudo bash camfish.sh. You'll now see a slick interface pop up. 2 options. 1. ngrok, 2. Cloudflare tunnel. We're choosing 2. Cloudflare tunnel today. Then you'll get 3 options for phishing styles. 1. Facebook, 2. YouTube, 3. Meeting. We're selecting 2. YouTube. Now, paste any YouTube video link, maybe your crush's favorite singer, just stay ethical, fam. CamPhish now generates a link. Here's the magic. When your target opens this link on their PC or phone, bam! You can see their camera feed and IP info if their browser gives access. Scary, right? But that's exactly why you need to know how these attacks happen. We're running the link now on both devices. Watch the output. Creepy, isn't it? Now imagine someone doing this to you. That's why knowledge is power. You either learn to protect or stay blind. And that's it for today. Now you've seen how phone and PC cameras can be hacked using phishing tactics. Feeling paranoid yet? You should be, just a little. This tool is simple, but the real world, far more dangerous. You think this was shocking? Wait until you see how hackers can hijack your phone using just Bluetooth. Click the next video. Hackers can take over your phone using Bluetooth. Watch before it's too late. Don't just be a watcher, be a learner, be a protector. I am not hacker. I am awareness. Like, share, subscribe, and yes, follow on Instagram for more cyber drops. Until next time, stay safe, stay sharp, stay curious.